as you can see here, I am working with some of the silicone molds, and I'm going ahead and I'm pushing some red fondant into the little cavities. Okay, so I've got this one has roses and leaves, but I just wanted the rose section. So I've just pushed the red fondant right into where the rose is. You can see a couple here. I'm going to go ahead and take some pink and pop the pink down in these. Okay, so just push it right into that section. Then what I'm going to do is go ahead and pop these in the freezer for a couple minutes. It'll firm up the fondant, and then it'll be easier for the fondant to be removed from the molds without it getting all distorted and getting out of shape. Let's do a nice red one in this mold right here. These molds, you can find them online. Just put in silicone cake decorating molds. And there's different makes. The blue is one company, and then there's a couple companies that sell this type. You could also look in your local craft store for any kind of like clay type molds that have flowers, or you can make your flowers and things out of royal icing. It's just these cookies are gonna, just with these fondant flowers, they're gonna be just a cut above the rest. And I'm not sure if I want to use the bow or not, so let me just go ahead and make one bow. And that way, if we're going to use it, we can. And if we're not, then we'll save it for something else. Okay, so all these into the freezer. Okay, so these are pretty much set. So I'll just take a small knife like this, whoops, and cut around the edge. Now you could put this on one of the one of the cooling racks that has the grids, but I really don't like that method. It's much easier to actually get the cookie off of this. Now, since these are soft cookies, you could go ahead and place these in cupcake liners if you wish. Totally up to you. These could be set up just a little bit more, so you can certainly leave them a little bit longer than I am here. I'm trying not to touch the top because I don't want to have any finger marks on the top of them.